So you have a WordPress-based website and you want to show up at the top of search engines? How do you do it? Here's some essential tips to optimize your WordPress website. Now, there's a lot that goes into SEO, but you can really simplify it to 3 core areas of fulfillment. The first one is your site structure. Really simple things like, does your website load quickly? Is it mobile friendly? Is there a clear call to action? The second area of fulfillment is content. Do you clearly communicate your value propositions and the problems that your product or service solves? Why are you better than the competition? And third is external credibility. Do other websites talk about you? Do they link to your brand? Each of those mentions counts as a vote in the search engine popularity contest, and that's also why reviews are important. So why don't I leave you with a couple great plugins that solve some of these problems. Yoast is a great plugin where you can optimize your site for some of the areas in that first scope, site structure. So this will help add custom variables that help search engines understand the content on your website to amplify it. Another great plugin that focuses on site structure is WP Fastest Cache. It's really important for your website to load quickly. Why? Because search engines basically say, treat me like a regular visitor. Whatever regular visitors like, so do I. Whatever they dislike, so do I. So none of us, including you watching this video, like a slow loading website. And so that's why it's important to make sure your website loads quickly. WP Fastest Cache is a great plugin that helps improve the efficiency of your website so it loads faster. When you have a faster loading website, it decreases your bounce rate. And when you have a more effective bounce rate, Google says that must be a better solution. Let's show that website to more people. And the last plugin I'll leave you with is one of my favorites. It's called WPA SEO Auto Linker. This one is not as known, but what's cool about it, we know that content is important, but also how you interconnect the content. You know, does one content piece or blog hold the customer's hand and guide them to the next piece of content that solves more problems and helps them better understand your product? So WPA Auto Linker, and there's a couple other plugins that are similar. What it does is it automatically detects the types of keywords in your content and connects it to other pieces of content that you wrote about the same topic. So now you can systematically and dynamically interconnect all your content site-wide instantaneously. There you go. Want to dominate the top of search engines with your WordPress website? There's some essential tips to optimize WordPress.